back, okay? And I'm getting ready to film a makeup tutorial, so tune in if you want to see more. I'm going to be doing a basic makeup tutorial. I would do more in depth, but I gotta hurry up and get my grandma some food. So, another thing, my hair is wet, so you might see water falling down the side of my face. It's because of that. First thing, I put moisturizer on. I did that off camera. Because I'm taking this makeup off soon, I'm not putting on any primer, but that is something I also put on. Next thing I'm going to be doing is just moisturizing my lips. I'll be looking in this mirror as well, but I'll be trying to look at y'all whenever I'm doing parts. I don't need to look at myself. Anyways, I'm moisturizing my lips right now. The lips I barely have. So, I just found a random spoolie. I do not know where it came from, but I'm about to use this. Then I do my eyebrows. I'm going to be using this. Don't mind my nails. If you mind them, I guess. I like to shape my eyebrows before I actually draw them in, so I'm about to do that. May not be able to see this part, but I will show y'all the finished product. If you want an in-depth eyebrow tutorial, let me know and I'll do that. Now, let me conceal my eyebrows. See, I almost forgot, y'all. I don't even know what shade I am anymore. Probably 330 now. I'm going to use this HD concealer from the beauty supply store. Some people use the applicator, and that's fine, but this is what works for me. And do whatever works for you whenever you're doing your makeup. That's what you should do. So I'm about to do my eyebrows, conceal them, and then I'll show y'all what they look like afterwards. And I always start with the eyebrow that gives me the most trouble. And we're good to go. Moving on to foundation. My face is not as oily as it used to be, and all my foundation is matte. So we're just gonna work with what we work with. And I'm gonna mix these two. And it's Pro Matte Infallible. And now I'm going to blend them. And y'all, I can never find my perfect match. I'll be so honest. So, this does not match me. Hey, help me out. Help a sister out, okay? We'll be alright. We're doing it. We're going about our day. And that's really all I need. I'll be using this blender. Do not know where it's from. I don't know. But I'll be using this to blend my makeup. We're going to dab. Stuff is drying on my face. That's what I'm saying. I gotta hurry when I do this. We're good with that. Now I'm gonna use my LA Colors concealer, and this is in tan. It wasn't. I know that was blurry. And this I'm going to let sit for a while because, yeah, it just needs to sit. It's one of them concealers that needs to sit. Honestly, I don't do this any certain type of way. And sorry about the train in the back. Also the TV, if you can hear it. Now that I've let it sit for a while, I'm going to blend it. And we're still going to be continuing the patting motion. I don't like my concealer nor my contour, nor my contour over exaggerated. Now this I actually haven't used. I've used this before and I like this one, but I'm lying. I'm gonna use this one again. And this is my Wet n Wild contour stick. Y'all, all my makeup cheap. Cheap. I don't need to do all the extra for makeup. I don't know, it's just not for me. Hey y'all, I actually am going to add this this out. And you want to blend upwards. Even though I don't apply my concealer in a certain way, I do like to blend upwards. So, cheekbone collab. Now I'm going to blend my nose, and hopefully it doesn't come out sharp, because I put a lot on. I'm going to go back in with some concealer. Do y'all see the process? Do y'all see the process? And I'm also going to shape my nose again with the concealer on the outside, because I blended it further out than I needed to. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm rushing this. Okay, so this is what I have so far. Now I'm about to set my face. I'm gonna take my Morphe powder in the shade Banana Rich. In some parts I will be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. Take my Maybelline Fit Me powder and use this brush that I got from, I don't know, and place that everywhere else on my face. Oh, and this is in the shade 310. For any of my girls out there who are the same color as me. Now, I'm about to set my eyebrows. But first I gotta draw them in a little bit more, because I see a piece. Let's piece it. Yes, sir. There we go. And on this side. Yes, sir. Oh, and to lay my eyebrows, I use Eco Styler gel. Like, I'm not finna get no eyebrow gel to lay my eyebrows. If that's what y'all like to do, hey, the more the merrier. It's laid, okay? It ain't going nowhere for the night. Don't play with her, she's not gonna be played with. Now I'm going to take my Believe Beauty in the shade Hawaiian Glow, and I'm going to apply that around the perimeter of my face. Then I'm going to take this big brush and I'm going to brush everything away. I'm going to take this brush and use this bronzer. I don't know all the names and stuff, so I'm not telling you. I'm going to apply this to my nose as well. To take my Milani Blossom Time Rose and use this brush to apply to my cheeks. Now I'm going to apply my mascara off camera and I'll be back. So now I've applied my mascara. Now I'm going to apply some white eyeliner to my waterline. It's hanging by a thread, y'all. Now I got my white liner on. It's hot as fuck. I'm gonna spray my face with some hydrating mist. Okay. Because it needs to be hydrated. That's not enough. I'm gonna use my pink highlight today. It is Believe Beauty also, and it's in Good Vibes. Put a dot on my nose, okay, and down the bridge of my nose. My cheekbones. eyebrows. On the top of my lip, my Cupid's bow. On the bottom of my lip. Don't ask. I don't know why I do it right here. And on my chin. Occasionally I put it right here on my Cupid's. Well, I don't know if this is my Cupid's bow, whatever this is. And I put it on my forehead too. But no, I was gonna say today I'm not feeling my forehead. I do feel my forehead. Yeah. And I rub it out. This is where I rarely ever put highlight because I don't know, I just can't ever get it how I like it right there. But I'll do it for y'all. But I always make sure I get anything that's in the corner of my eyes out before I do it because it will ruin the whole thing. You ain't gonna know. I'm gonna be using this orange brush to apply this highlight in the corner of my eyes. Okay, so there's that. Now I'm gonna wipe my lips off. Now we're gonna apply this. Yo, this shit is so worn the down. Okay. This is what we got so far. Now I'm going to, I guess I can tell y'all what this is. Nah, this is so old, I'm not telling y'all, I don't even know. This is from Maybelline, and it's called Magnetic Mauve 125. Now, I'm gonna apply my lip gloss. And now we're gonna apply this one. It has sparkles in it. This is the final look. Hope y'all enjoyed. Very basic, but very me, okay? This is how I wear my makeup if I'm not doing much. I don't wear a lip. I usually just wear lip gloss, but I had to do a little something different because I didn't do any eyeshadow. So, hope y'all enjoyed. Tune in for more. See y'all later. This is the aftermath. Y'all see all this shit? Bye, y'all.